let's use order of operations to solve these problems. So in this problem, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 gives me 8. So I'm ending up with what I started with. Order of operations tells me when it's division and multiplication to work left to right. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 4 times 5 gives me 20. 63 divided by 9 is 7. And then 7 times 9 is 63. So what's happening is I'm dividing by a number and then turning around and multiplying again by that number. What this proves is that the opposite of division is multiplication. So if this is true, then anything divided by one number and then turned around and multiplied by that number again will end up with what you started with. So here my answer is X. And this one, M divided by 7 times 7 gives me M. Okay, now so we're going to look at some equations that have a number divided by it. And they're going to look a little bit different than what you're used to. So here's how they look. And when I look at these, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to solve them. Okay, so this says M divided by 4 equals 16. Well, the opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4 on this side. Of course, we're going to have to balance, so we're going to multiply by 4 on this side. And then this is going to cancel each other out, and I'm left with M. And then 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, so what I'm going to do, y divided by 7, the opposite of dividing by 7 is multiplying by 7. If I multiply by 7 on this side, I got to multiply by 7 on this side. Here, I'm left with y, and 11 times 7 is 77. Okay, it doesn't matter if the variable's on the right side of the equal sign, I'm still going to solve it the same way. I know I'm going to divide by 9 because, I know I'm going to multiply by 9 because that's the one with the variable. So the opposite of dividing by 9 is multiply by 9. If I multiply by 9 on one side, I got to do it on the other. Over here, I'm left with S, and I may have to come to the side to see what 18 times 9 is. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 7 more is 16. So S is equal to 162. Okay, the opposite of dividing by 14 is multiplying by 14. If I multiply by 14 on this side, I got to multiply by 14 on this side. Over here, I'm left with just R. And then I may have to come to the side and see what 21 times 14 is. So R is equal to 294. So I'm going to be expecting to see that you're balancing your equation. That's what an algebra student will do, okay? And this is the easiest way for you to show that.